Hello everyone, welcome to this video review, in which I will show you this new hair cutter, purchased from the site PriceyAngles.com. As you can see, I have already opened the package. I tried it and I can say that it works all right. Now, let's show you how it's made and what it contains inside. As you can see, there is also within two adapters at various sizes to cut the hair of the length we want. Then there's this little built-in adapter with which you can make cuts very short, or we can shave to 0, leaving just standard. To make it work, we need two AA batteries, which, however, were not included in the package. Now, we can close it again and it starts up. You may have noticed that the noise is very low and does not bother you. In my tests, I found that with the rechargeable batteries, not very powerful, you can do a cut for more than 20 minutes, which is enough. Now, I show the signs that are on the package. You can buy it in the link below the video. I don't tell you the price, because it may change over time, but it is still very low and offers sufficient performance. Thank you all for watching and have a good day. See you at the next review.